popular meal here, served straight up, in soup, and along with plenty of other dishes. And just down the road is one location with its own take on the recipe, the Palm Beach Bistro. Chef Kristin Harding walks me through her process of mixing flavors with oysters.
I'm doing something a bit different, so I'm going to do a peach salsa. So we've got some diced peach.
Lovely.
Some red pepper and some shallots.
Wonderful.
And then what we're going to do, we're just going to get some nice Italian flat leaf parsley. So we're just going to bunch that up, and we're just going to really roughly chop that.
So you've mixed the parsley with chopped up peach?
Yep, so I'm going to add
the
some
salsa?
Some peach.
Lovely.
We're going to add a bit of the capsicum and then the shallot.
So we've mixed everything up here. What's next, Chef?
So we're just going to get some nice lemon, and we're just going to get the zest. So we're not going to do the whole thing, we're just going to do a little bit of it.
Lovely.
So then what I'm going to do, we're just going to get a little bit of the juice. You don't want to add too much because you don't want to overpower the oysters.
Okay.
Cool, so we're just going to give this a bit of a mix.
Wonderful.
Nice and chunky. Now we're going to get to the fun part.
The fun part. I'm assuming we're opening up the oysters.
We're going to shuck the oysters.
We're going to shuck the oysters. There you go, Chef.
Thank you. So with oysters, you do want to be careful. You want to do it on a cloth.
Okay.
You just want to fold that over just to protect your palm. Then you want to put some pressure in, and you want to slightly turn it.
Yes.
Until you can feel when you're in, and then you want to pop it.
Yes.
And then what you want to do, you just want to scrape the top just to release that, and you can see that's very fresh.
Yes. And so when you serve these, are you leaving the oyster in the shell and putting the dressing on top?
Yes, but what we're going to do is we're going to turn them. So you're just going to scrape underneath there and then just turn it.
Oh wow, that's wonderful, Kristin. Beautiful.
And with the oysters, you want to keep them up to the deep side so you can keep all of the juices and they don't run out. I'm just going to lay them nice and natural. So we're going to get the grilled peach here.
Nice.
And we're just going to scatter the peaches around. Nice and rustic.
Beautiful.
And then once we've done that, we get our beautiful, colourful salsa here. Just give it a mix, just to make sure it's all mixed in, and then you're just going to spoon that on top of the oysters. You don't want to cover the whole oyster, you just want a little bit there.
Oh, that looks wonderful, Chef.
And then you're just going to finish it with a little bit of this red pepper nasturtium, which is growing on the island as well, just for a bit of colour, and it also brings another element of taste to the dish as well.
It looks absolutely wonderful, Chef, and I love that you're using all these different items from here on Waiheke Island. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Well, that was definitely a unique meal and a great location for it. I really appreciate how the Palm Beach Bistro's menu is mainly derived from sourcing local island products. And conveniently, the restaurant is situated where we happen to be staying, the Waiheke Island Resort. Overlooking Palm Beach, the unique aspect of this resort is the way in which the villas stagger their way up the hill, allowing for stunning ocean views from any room. There's a sense of solitude here. It's almost as if we had the place to ourselves. Even with all the modern amenities both inside and out, there's a feeling of remaining in nature rather than near it. And at the end of a long day exploring, it's an incredible place to come home to. Ultimately, the resort is a reflection of the island's overall energy. It really is a short trip to a faraway place.